Hello everybody, welcome back to class with Mr. Harden. Today is a little different. I'm not teaching geometry this time, I am teaching science. And for today's topic in science, we will be going over Newton's laws of motion. The first law we will talk about is the law of inertia. I will represent this with baseball, of course. And I know it's not a baseball, it's a softball, but I couldn't find a baseball, so it'll have to do. So Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by another force. This is the same for if it doesn't move. I will show this by throwing a baseball through the air. Not too far, because I want you to still be able to see it. So I'll just toss it. And as it rolls, it will eventually stop. There. The ball is affected by three things: gravity, which pulls it down; air resistance, which affects it the entire time it's going through the air; and then rolling friction, which happens as it is rolling across a surface. The ball contains inertia, which is working to resist the gravity, resistance, and friction that are all trying to slow it down. And the more mass an object has, the more inertia it has, which means the more difficult it will be to slow down. Another example of inertia could be the ball sitting still, which it refuses to do, until now. The second law states that an object will follow the net force that is applied to it. This I will show by hitting the ball, maybe. The force that the ball receives comes from swinging the bat. As you swing the bat, it'll hit the ball, and obviously the bat will keep moving because you're still swinging your arms. But the ball, instead of going down from dropping, will take the force from the bat and it will go out. The final law, which is the third law, states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This can be shown when running, because as you apply force to the ground is applying that same force back to you to push you forward. So I'll show you by just going down to second base and back. That's all for the class. Thank you for listening. I know the video was way too long, and your conclusion is Newton's laws are used everywhere. That's all I got for you.